I faced challenges that stretched my boundaries. I wasn't endowed with overpowering might, lightning speed, or unmatched intellect, but those limitations won't hinder me. I've pledged myself to labor relentlessly, while others take respite. I'll be grinding away. As my competitors lay dormant, I'll be doggedly chasing my ambitions, and I implore you to embark on the same journey. We often hear the adage, love what you do, and success will follow. Yet, it's not simply about adoring your work. It's about forging an unwavering commitment to it. It's about becoming addicted to triumph. This voyage necessitates more than ordinary exertion. You must welcome long hours, outweigh obstacles, and surpass odds. The energy you invest, the unseen hours of dedication, the sacrifices made, these elements mold your path. It's a journey that demands self-control, fixation, and a craving for results. At the culmination, those who concede gave less. To triumph, you must outshine others. So when your muscles beg for respite, you'll demand one more repetition. While thoughts of quitting surface, someone else might be pushing through 5 more. While you consider taking a break, they're challenging their limits. To attain eminence, to stand as the unparalleled force in your realm, you'll encounter misunderstandings. Fixation and drive will set you apart. Every fleeting moment becomes a stepping stone for your accomplishment. Equilibrium is praised, but to transcend boundaries, you must tread the tightrope of fixation where not everyone comprehends you. You must be willing to let your pursuit consume your life, eating, drinking, sleeping it. It must become your essence. You can't merely verbalize intentions. You must incarnate your aspirations. When people ponder your domain, they should envision you fully immersed. Your aura should emanate your devotion. To reach the summit, you must embody it, not just mention it. Your devotion should be evident without words. It should radiate from within you. This expedition necessitates unwavering concentration. While others bask in leisure, you'll be engrossed in learning and growth. A determined mindset nurtures exceptional skills. When you mimic, you blend in. Stray from the pack. Pave your own path. Champions arise by transcending norms. Forge new standards. Complacency is a luxury we can't indulge. We won't relinquish the enemy's grasp. We persist unyieldingly. No reprieve for them. No opportunity to recuperate. Our pursuit will endure until there's no more ground to cover. Effort must surpass the minimum requirement. Your paycheck fulfills the essentials. Anything beyond is an investment in your future. Rising early, persisting while others rest. This positions you for triumph. The more you endeavor, the more possibilities materialize. Dreams don't crystallize through idle fantasies. The initial step toward realization is awakening. So, let's grasp this chance. Let's infuse each endeavor with unbridled passion. Let's prosper beyond confines. Amidst a world of dormant aspirations, we represent the awakened few. On your journey, moments of solitude might wrap around you like a cloak of stars. Times of desolation could stand tall on the horizon, while brief episodes of vulnerability and self-doubt may cast fleeting shadows. Amidst these stretches, the faith others have in you might falter, tempting you to question your own convictions. You might wonder, do I stand alone in this belief? Do I truly possess what it takes? These uncertainties are bound to surface. Yet, allow me to impart a thought. Would it not be a monumental loss to halt now, just as you've covered this extraordinary distance? Who else among the countless souls on this vast planet would persist with the same relentless fervor as you? You embody that spirit. You are the unyielding force. Your journey persists, and your breath persists. In the rhythm of your breath, a spark of fight lives on. Breathing signifies vitality, and vitality walks hand in hand with resilience. While life courses through you, a canvas remains to refine, expand, and ascend the path of self-improvement. Challenges will loom larger, and obstacles might rise steeper. In response, your spirit must toughen, and your determination must fortify. Life's trials will act as judges, and it's in facing these trials that the course of your existence is mapped. Amidst all that confronts you, a steadfast attitude reigns supreme. Despite the circumstances, your perseverance must thrive. I, too, frequently encounter tasks I'd rather not embrace, yet the grind perseveres. Even when desire wanes, the grind persists. As desire fluctuates, remember that not everyone will echo your yearnings or lend a helping hand. Numerous doors might close, and many paths might be obstructed. Most might capitulate when faced with such hindrances, but you possess the power to declare, I shall not surrender. I shall forge ahead unwaveringly. I shall give my all. Position yourself where retreat is no longer an option, where only the choices of victory or defeat remain. In traversing these trials, resilience shall become your mastery. From the depths of desperation, creativity will surge forth like never before. Dedicate yourself without reservation. Dare to pursue greatness. Dare to explore uncharted realms. Dare to transcend your own limits. Through audacity, your legacy shall endure throughout time. Safeguard your dreams with unwavering diligence. Allow no one to filch them. Persevere, endure, maintain your unyielding sprint toward your aspirations. Stormy times may assail, but they are transitory, not everlasting. Refrain from labeling it as a bad day. Instead, welcome it as a day sculpting your character. Amidst fear, thoughts may wander to places undesired. Words may mold into shapes unwanted. However, with faith, calculations become superfluous, and external validations hold no weight. Faith soars beyond tallying troops, cavalry, or weaponry. In faith, these material aspects relinquish their grip. In faith, belief becomes the spark that ignites change. Focus your energies on this precise moment, this opportune juncture. Concerns of tomorrow are but fleeting echoes. Channel your essence, your energy, your heart, your soul into this very instant, and let tomorrow tend to itself. Jot down, be it in ink or in the depths of your being, 5 reasons that bar surrender. What makes you invincible? Why must audacity course through your veins, while conventional logic may whisper, today, this cannot be accomplished? Remember, exceptional feats demand an exceptional spirit, one that transcends norms. You are that exception, that rare gem. Recognize your role as the catalyst, entitled and destined for this calling. The moment has arrived. Sever ties with hindrances. Cast aside the judgments the world may pass. The need for their validation evaporates. At the juncture where your inner fortitude eclipses external pressures, your metamorphosis is sealed.